Okay, this compressor will not start. Turns about a half a turn and stops, so I put a hard start kit on it. It's a Bryant 561C. I disconnected the fan. And we're waiting on the timer now. Timer and the thermostat. Might take a while. Let's see what it does. Probably explode and kill me. Well, it tried. It didn't start though. Great. Now we need a compressor. Try it again. What if it popped the circuit breaker? No, guess not. But it ain't starting either, so that means I need a compressor. That was a waste of $33. Okay, maybe next time.